done, you to go. Right, honestly, someone tell this guy to hurry up. Like, honestly, this guy's taking the piss now. He says he's going to stream at a certain time, and then he's like, I don't know, he's probably like trading without us or something. I don't know why he does that. Like, bro's definitely just caught the entire move without chat. Why would he do that? Like, he could just wait and then trade with us. I don't understand. Like, in reality, it's just all super selfish because, like, he says he's going to stream at a certain time, and I'm just waiting here for my free value, and I'm not even getting it. Like, what am I meant to do? How am I meant to trade? I only know how to copy SG because he's the best trader in the market, and I don't know how to trade for myself. So if SG's late to the stream, then I'm going to miss the move as well, and it's really stressing me out. Someone tell Eugene to call him or something. Already had a trade, thanks bud. Whoa. Alright chat, fuck it. All jokes aside, should probably start the stream, eh? Should probably start the stream, but you know what? Anil is right, everybody. It's time to make a fucking milli. Seriously, it's time to make a milli. I'm making a milli today, whether you like it or not. If I have to rob a bank, I'll rob a bank. Preferably trading, but... Alright, man, listen, in 3, 2, chat. How are we doing, everybody? What is popping? Buys were programmed this morning, chat. These 30-minute buys were crazy. I didn't catch them, but look, chat. Hopefully you guys are good. My watch is stuck on my wrist. Hopefully you guys are chilling. I heard likes help with timekeeping. Yeah, Jar's right. I've heard... That SG guy, he's never late to stream if we get to like 15 likes or something before the stream starts. I don't know. Just landed back in the UK literally 1 minute ago, still on the plane. Gay. Get back on the plane and come back to Europe. I took that egg and stuff, Blizzy. Look, chat, how we all doing, man? What's good? Kick, Blizzy, Will, Jar, Anil. I'm not saying hi to Eugene. What's good? Rentero, victory settings again. Dylan is chilling. Who else is here, chat? Come say hi. Asia, crazy pump. Yeah, it did go crazy. Chat, it's analysis paralysis time. No, not really. It's analysis time, not analysis paralysis time. Listen, let's jump into it. We've got a big day today, a lot of stuff to get into. Big news day today, chat. Big news day today. Nah, legit though. Bro, I need to get some new glasses. These are like wonky as fuck. ISM manufacturing PMI. Oh shit, it's a 3 o'clock news today, chat. So actually we don't really need to worry about the news. It's later, to be honest. But anyway, drop into the actual candles here. Weekly and monthly is pushing up here. I think on FX, didn't you make a new all-time high? Yeah, you did. On Forex, you made a new all-time high. On futures, you are yet to do that, which is interesting. I still don't understand how that really works, but anyway, we move. Daily time frame though, chat, has previously closed bullish here, still respecting some levels, but we are now pushing up. Realistically, I expect us to tap 601 here on futures. Like, there's nothing really stopping us. 4 hour as well. Previous actually did close bearish engulfing, which is kind of crazy. But you do still have bullish structure, right? Was this just a pullback for us to continue up? 2 hour closed bullish previously, and 1 hour also making bullish structure here. Now, something that's interesting, chat, and a concept that I've taught you guys a lot of times here. You have basically... How long here? You got 15 minutes to the 2 hour close. You have a one hour here that closed no top wick, right? Because that 1 hour closed no top wick, there's technically no range, but we have this candle right here. If this one closes doji with a top wick, that then creates the range and essentially negates the no top wick candle. So if this candle closes like this, we can take a look at some nice buys to continue upwards, especially on the 2 hour. With that being said, chat, as long as we close above 49 here, you should be good as well. If you do close back into below 49 here, you have room down towards 37. But realistically, we're looking to take the buys back up towards 35.69 and even higher up towards all-time highs, chat. So let's see, man. Let's see. But yeah, a lot of opportunity today. Damn value. Yeah, Blizzy, that's what I'm telling you, bro. It's fucking insane. Chat, so much value on the channel right now. And there's going to be, bro, I've got someone in the works that's going to blow your fucking minds, chat. Give me a couple of months. I've got someone in the works that's going to absolutely blow your minds. I just FOMO'd in because of this analysis. Crazy work. Crazy work. All right, chat. No pink monster today. No caffeine today. I can't be drinking any caffeine. This is too much. Like, I've genuinely been drinking way too much caffeine. I just can't. So today, I'm going to be off of it. Just a nice, refreshing soft drink for me. Dax is making me go back to gold. Yeah, trust me. Red Bull's gay. You're gay. How about that? Go for Monster. It was run out. I said this. Caffeine warrior. I actually am. Caffeine final boss, eh? Chat, what about... Listen here, what about... Hear me out on this one, chat. I've got a proposition for you guys. I've got a business plan. What about we all make a milli right now? Let's just try. I think we should try. If we all make a milli right now, then we'd all be rich. And then we could stop trading. I don't know. Has anyone thought about that before? It sounds like a decent plan, right? I don't know. $300 grand. Yeah, that's weird, Blizzy. I can't lie. Sounds solid. Let's go. Yeah, chat. We got it, man. Listen, the first step. All right, I'll tell you the first step to making a milli here. Drop a like on the stream, all right? There's 51 of you in here and 9 likes. If we don't get above 30 likes within the next 10 seconds, no one's ever making a milli again. In the entire world. No one's ever making a milli again. I'm dead serious. If I had a mil right now, I'd still put on like 100 cons and just enjoy. 100 cons is a lot, bro. That's like 10k per tick. That would quickly wipe a milli, I think. 100 pips would wipe out a milli. $10 billion. When you start in the non-trading streams, whenever I make a milli, chat, I told you. In fact, when I make a billy, you're about to see some next level island content. Whoa. Pause. Chat. 11 minutes here to the closure. Let's see what we can do, chat. I think there's a lot of opportunity here, to be honest. After we close above here, there's realistically no reason you wouldn't fill up towards the next range, right? So you've got basically minimum 150 pips of room. Stops are relatively large too, which is a problem, unless you put them below here, which you could do, to be fair. But I don't like doing that because a lot of times gold will just go, yeah, safe. Let's see something never done before. Let's get loads of rich and famous people with loads of power all on one island. Bro's trying to get me banned. One sec, chat. I have to listen to a voice note. All right, I'm back. Low-key, I was just scrolling through TikTok real quick. I didn't want to chat to you guys anymore. Now I'm joking. Yo, let's get it. 1% from passing my val. Gareth, good stuff, bro. Slow and steady wins the race at this point, my friend. But good stuff. Chat, by the way, I think Apex still have their 90% sale on. I think it ends today, right? So, yeah, you got 16 hours left to go ahead and grab an Apex account using code TRLS. You're going to get 90% off with that one. Stack 20 accounts, you got 6 million funding, 1%, 60k, light work, move on with your day. Nah, legit though, chat. It's definitely the best way you can scale your capital, in my opinion, right? Especially with the low barrier to entry. Literally fucking 18 bucks for a 50k account. It's ridiculously low. Got two 50ks and a 250k no-brainer. Good shit, Gareth. Is the PA activation also cheaper? Yes, it is for today only. But I sent a chart into the Discord if you want to see. I have a chart somewhere here. Wait, brokers and firms. So basically they've... Look, Eugenia's rainbow flag, by the way. Very funny. I'm very much enjoying that. They have... For the 250k challenge, they dropped the activation fee to 37 buckaroons, which is fucking crazy. Absolutely insane. And the regular one for like a 50k is 85 bucks now, which is super cheap. Book to get away to tell myself well done. You better not be coming to Cyprus. Chat, we're ripping up here. Chat, I've been trying out a new prop firm recently as well, and I just actually grabbed a payout on it. I'm going to be making a review very shortly. Oh, wait, 1 second. I'm getting a phone call. Give me a sec. All right, I'm back. Chat, apologies. I'm calling SU right now. It was Jerome Powell, man. Jerome Powell just rang me and was like, yo, I'm about to tell you what the market's doing. Don't tell Stream. And I said, no, I have to tell Stream because, well, they're my boys, right? And he was like, no, don't. And I was like, right, you tell me where the market's going right now. Otherwise, I'm going to come to your gaff. Storm through the door. So that's what I did. Basically, chat, he told me we're going to fill the range right now. But he said you need to wait for the hourly closure before you get the position. I don't know why he said it, but he must know that we have to wait for confirmation. Even though he told me where the move's going. Just going to have to wait for the confirmation here, chat. It's unfortunate, but it's one of those ones. We've got 7 minutes here to the closure. Let's see what we can do, chat. Basically, all we need is that motherfucker to cut rates and we all make a milli. I'm trying to make a couple milli, yeah. If you can cut the rates twice, then that'd be pretty nice. First time was so nice. I had to do it twice. Gee. Might cop an Apex for news. Run it. Pull up on a Zoom call and we'll run it on stream together. Bro, that'd be jokes. Sounds like they know their stuff. Yeah, they must do. They must do, right? All right, chat. We're getting close to this hourly closure here. You got 5 minutes. I'm serious. It's time to make 10 Brazilian gajillion. I'm going to insert XG's exact coordinate. That's crazy. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Drop a like on the Bomberclart stream. But yeah, what I was about to say was, I've actually been trading recently. I've been testing out GFT. Goat funded. They paid me out. Well, I got a 2k payout on the account that I was trading with them. Little 2% on a 100k account. Not bad. But I'm not going to lie. They're pretty decent. So I might make a review on them on YouTube. Let me know if you want to see that. Chat, we're just stacking payouts though. TRLS goes fucking crazy recently. Like, we're literally getting the most people funded in the industry. Printing us, like printing myself. Chat, Q4 is going to go crazy for TRLS. I'm actually the most bullish I've ever been. Please do, will do, Mr. Victory Settings. I will do. I will do. But listen, I'm hoping that they're going to give me some stuff to give away to you guys too. I'm pretty sure they will. And I want to do that because obviously whenever I do a review or if I, take an affiliate deal or anything like that, my number one thing is how much can I give to you guys, right? And I'm trying to get as much stuff as possible. But chat, we're ripping up here right now, coming into this hourly close. I want to see what we can do here, chat. If you close like this, we might be enough to rip. I don't think there's any reason for it to realistically break structure again. You just closed Oh no, you closed respecting the high here, which is really interesting. Extremely, extremely interesting. What are we going to do here, chat? So basically, right now, if we close above this most recent high here, leaving a top wick, we can look at taking a position to come and fill the range here. Maybe we need a bottom wick. Structure looks good though. Realistically, you could come and see a higher low being made before a continuation up. But yeah, for right now, I would just want to wait and see here. If it closes like this, we could be in off the rip as well. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't fill the range here. 4 hour looks good. 2 hour looks good. Hourly looks good. 30 minute looks good. 15 minute looks good. 5 minute looks good. Everything looks good. Hope you're good, SG. Loving this crazy breakout. When you've seen these crazy moves in the past, do they retrace significantly, or are they just small pullbacks to buy more? A lot of times with gold, it's honestly just a small pullback. Like, I mean, look at the gold higher time frame, right? A lot of time gold will just consolidate for a bit before making a move up, which is done now. If it breaks out here of the overall range, you can see gold pushing up towards the well, infinity really, because there's nowhere else it should tap. I've seen predictions of like 6k per ounce, loads of shit. But listen, chat, lock it in here. 2 minutes to the close. Mr. Mochi, welcome back. I wonder who's behind the Mr. Mochi account. We never figured that one out. My bed was $1 million. Or you did a house tour or what? All right, let's watch. No reviews, you know.
Right, today I'm going to show you Broky's my house. I'm just pulling in now.
Bro's pulling out of the house, but he says he's pulling in.
Right, today... What's up, Rockies? This is my bedroom, where the magic happens. With your girl. Rockies, this is...
Bro, that actually caught me off guard. Eugene, bro, what are you doing with your spare time? You could be doing something seriously productive and you're making that shit. That is genuinely a tough watch. Listen, we got a minute to the closure here, chat. We are ripping up. Bomberclat. Oh, I wish... I mean, to be honest, let's see. If we could leave a top wick, chat, we could be good to go here. Maybe we make the mega move today, chat. Maybe we literally rip up all the way towards, like, $10 billion. Bro, a furry? Yeah, maybe. Chat, if we close no top wick, though, you know we're cooked. Like, you know we're absolutely cooked if we close no top wick. Hopefully we're good, though. Just start spamming L's. Spamming L's is crazy. Chat, 40 seconds for it to pull back here. If it pulls back, we need a bottom wick as well. It's going to be an absolute stinker. Come on, chat. By the way, listen, we've got 70 people in here, 15 likes. Are you fucking joking? All right, chat, pull back. Pull back. Come on, gold. Pull back. Come on. Bro, just one cornetto, man. Just literally one pullback. 10 seconds. Yeah. Pull back like that. That's crazy, Danny. That is actually insane. Go on, go on, go on. Leave us a top wick. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days. What the fuck? What the fuck? L's in the chat. Honestly, L's in the chat for that. Holy skibs. Two pip top wick on FX? Yeah, Danny, I'm not sure that one counts. I can't lie, bro. I'm not sure we're counting the 2 pip top wick. Yeah. Unfortunately, we didn't get a pullback here, chat. But listen, it's still super early in the day, early in the stream. We've got a lot of opportunity right now. We can either catch the pullback into this level here, right? To then continue up. Or we can wait for a closure above. Either way. Buy is valid? Not now. Now that it closed, no top wick, no. I think it's going to fill the range, but I can't take buys. Unfortunately not. It's one of them ones. Man just wanted to promo the vid piece. Crazy. Bro's actually used us for clout. He's actually used us for clout. Just joking, SG, please. Love you, please keep watching them on stream. Fuck off. Bullish on milk futures. Nah, you know what I am bullish on though? We missed out on the play. We missed out on the play. Next year, I'm doing this 100%. Mr. Tom Lanigan taught us the meta. Cocoa futures, buying them before Easter. Goated move. And before Christmas. Chat, that's the move. I'm all in on cocoa futures right now. Just before Christmas, stack some fat bags on cocoa futures. That's the W. How did you develop your entry model? I literally watched a couple of people's YouTubes and figured the shit out myself by literally staring at the charts 100 times a day. Or 100 hours a day, let's say. Literally non-stop, just fucking staring, pattern recognition. Took a long time, right? And obviously, I used other people's concepts too, but you get the point. What's good, Mighty Meat? How's it going, brother? What's good, Ewan, as well? Gonna put my parents' house on cocoa. Chat, you know what the actual meta is, right? If you want to make serious money, you have to come to Limassol first, all right? And then, the most important thing is, you come over to this place here. It's called the City of Dreams, right? And it's literally where dreams come true. Seriously. And it's basically this place here. You walk inside and you find a big room like this. And inside this room, right, there's going to be like loads of these tables. It's kind of weird. There's going to be like these tables. And basically, you can put money on the table, play a little game, and then you get money back every time, guaranteed. Like, there's no chance you lose. You get the money back every single time, and you make more, and then you leave with lots and lots and lots of money, right? And that's when your dreams come true. See? And then, like, look, there's always just two girls kissing for some reason. So I'm saying, like, it's just mad. SG promoting fake news? Nah, never. Does Apex still have the 90%? Yes, they do. Red, black, then all in on 7. Now you have to do left, right, up, down, X, hold down right stick, jump twice, and then you spawn in like a mill. Even better hack, find 10 fruity machines in a row and go backwards and forwards, yeah. That's what he taught us in the mentorship. Yeah, chat, if you guys join the one-on-one, that's what I teach you. You think all these guys are making money from trading through my mentorship? Nah. They actually go ahead and I just fly them out to Cyprus. That's why Tom never passed a funded account. Like, you guys saw the series on Instagram of Tom passing a funded account in a week. Now, I actually made 50K cash at the City of Dreams, and we made all the dreams come true, right? That's what I'm saying. Like, literally, chat, you see, like, right here, it said that he passed a funded account. City of Dreams, 50K. Now look, that Apex is actually, it actually says City of Dreams, 50K cash out voucher. Yeah, I'm dead serious. Bottom week non-existent. Yeah, what's good, Keelan? Yeah, it's tough, man. What's good, Jay, as well? What's good, Matt? Welcome back to the streams, my brother. Mr. Matt back in the chat. Bars. Handsome man. Yeah, I know. Thank you, bro. I don't know about the guy who's with me, but I'll take it. How are we? Very, very well. Here. Let's go, chat. The whole gang's back together. Now listen, we should tap into 69 here. I don't see why you wouldn't, realistically. At least tapping into it. If you close above that, chat, we're going to hit all-time highs, 100%. But it's just difficult because we didn't get the bottom wick we were dreaming of. Maybe we should have gone to the City of Dreams. Fuck. We missed out on the meta. 15 an hourly, no bottom wick. This could flip. No top wick on the previous as well. It's pretty cooked here, chat. I want a little retracement. It's careful now. It's careful. You've got to be careful is what I'm trying to say. From China, good night. What's good, Rose? New City of Dreams strategy incoming. Oh, chat. Maybe, you know I told you there's a new entry model. Maybe that's what we call it. Maybe we have like the COD play. That could be the move. Oh, fuck. Chat, I just spilled the Red Bull. One sec. L-Mans. Right, cleanup crew inbound. Yeah, chat, the COD play might be coming out. But listen, chat, 52 minutes to the hourly close. Now I'm joking. Listen, we can try and catch some shit on the 15 minute if it starts to make structure. We are getting a pullback here, but it's not good enough because the hourly has no top wick. We need to be patient here, chat. There's a lot of opportunity, but it's all going to come with a lot of patience. All right? You just have to stay patient here. Remember, we've got news later as well today. We might just be waiting for that, to be truly honest. But chat, how's your guys' trading been so far this week? L-Bull is crazy. How's your guys' trading been this week? Anyone catch any positions yesterday? I got nothing because it was a blood clot bank holiday. Nothing so far this morning either. I wanted these 30-minute buys, but they didn't print properly. I saw Eugene got an accidental 10% day, which is kind of crazy. One BE, one L, life is good. That's the W still. What's good, Tyler? Welcome back, bro. How you doing, man? Holy, guys, when buying on Apex, we pick Tradeovate. Yeah, Tradeovate's the best one by far. By far. Got wrecked yesterday, recovered today. Good shit, Matt. Took a position after stream and now profitable on Apex Eval. W. Hey, good shit, Anil. Chat, we're about to see hella people from TRLS passing accounts, I swear. Just a BE. Could have held on for more, but got out and forgot about it. Matt, I remember when you first joined, or not first joined, but when we were talking about this, that was one of the main things you used to struggle with, is like wanting more on the charts, and now you're doing it with ease, which is fucking sick. Yesterday, minus 285. Hey, I swear you were in a winning position when we left you on stream. Today might be 100k plus, 1000k plus. Holy shit, that's a mil. Bro's yeah, that is a mil. Bro's going for the milli. Chat, I can't lie, I'm going for the milli too. What's up? What's up, Max? How's it going, brother? Holy shit, the whole gang's in here. All the OGs, all the new people. Chat, what's popping, man? Listen. Hopefully we can get a nice little position here shortly. Maybe like a retest of this level down here. I don't know, but either way, we're going to need to see a nice little pullback before we get a trade here. Hopefully, though, hoffentlich in Deutsch, we can get a nice little position. I just top ticked and bottom ticked some sells. How? Oh, crazy. On what? Oh, my days, chat. By the way, guys, I'm going to be back in London next week. Actually, this week. What are we saying about a little TRLS meet up? And if so, where should we do it? Half of the week I'll be in an undisclosed Midlands location. And half the week I'll be in London. So I don't know. At Eugene's house? I know exactly where Eugene lives as well. I could just bait out his location for all the man. But I don't think he'll want me to do that. Eugene, if you ever cross me, you're getting doxxed. Midlands, let's go play some padel, lad. That'd be sick, actually. TRLS padel tournament, you know. I'm so down. I'm in. Got Kata flying over. Nah, that'd actually be sick. When you're in London, want to grab lunch Sunday? I don't think I'll be in London on Sunday, unfortunately. I don't know, we'll see. But chat, the one thing that does mean is there might not be a stream for a week. There might not be a stream for a whole fucking week, you know? Sad times, really sad times. Let me fly over to the other side of the planet for this meet. Yeah, Max, you gotta do it, bro. I've seen you've been printing recently. You got enough cash to fly over. You should be good. I really don't understand trade very much. What's the symbol for gold? MGC1. What's the... Bro, go watch the YouTube video I have on my channel. It'll explain it all, right? It's basically futures, so it's to do with contracts. What days are you in London? I'll WhatsApp you. The blackmail goes crazy. Yeah, it does. Chat, listen, 70 people in here right now. Make sure you drop a like on the fucking stream. 70 people, only 20 likes is diabolical, right? Let's get to at least 50 likes on the stream. I appreciate it very much. Your guys' support has been crazy. Guys, we're getting close to fucking 9K and then 10K subs, which is mad, right? I didn't think I'd be saying that this year, but we are, which is sick. I can't wait. Chat, we'll do something crazy for the 10K subs. We got to. I don't know what though. I'm planning. Oh, wait. Hang on. Hang on. Yeah, I've got an idea. Cool. All right. It's booked in. I can't tell you guys right now, but it's booked in. Are you planning to move to Hong Kong or China? That's actually a crazy question. I got a... I mean, I would do if the money was right. I'll move anywhere if the money's right. But to be honest, the good thing about my job is I can do it from absolutely anywhere, which is really, really good, right? 10K subs, all of TRLS takes a Vegas trip. Oh, all of TRLS, you know, that'd be sick. I heard Mochi just posted a vid saying trying like... Bro, fuck off. Kaiser, what's good, brother? Welcome back. Wagwan, me people. What's good? Could have easily FOMO'd in on this Owly and it's ended up flipping. Gareth, see? You see the fucking reasons why I say stuff? Chat, I feel like a lot of you guys think that I just say stuff for the fun of it, right? It's like, oh, don't FOMO because I'm being like a teacher's pet or like, you know, do shit by the books. Fucking... Chat, I say this all the time. Don't FOMO in on this. You know, some people would have FOMO'd in on the bottom wick of this or just as the candle opened. Guess what? You're being drawdown right now. Everything I say is for a reason, chat. There's data behind literally every single thing that I say. All right, so when you hear me say, like, I can't enter because no top wick, or I can't enter because no bottom wick, or don't FOMO because of X reason, Y reason, whatever, all of that is based off of data. There's a reason behind it all, right? So whenever I say that, trust that I know what I'm talking about, or at least ask the question as to why. 15-minute closing in 5 seconds here. It looks like it is going to close bearish, which is actually crazy. Chat, what if we all bought at once, right? What if we all bought into the market at once? Just moved it up with our demo accounts. Caught 27 and stops to BE on Forex, left the top wick and started with a small bottom wick. Fuck off, did it. Bro. Bro's literally gone and zoomed into the max right here. Bro's literally like... Oh, yeah, now we're good. Top wick and bottom wick, all good. One pip top wick. And to be fair, 5 pip bottom wick. But the 1 pip top wick is not the one, bro. Cannot run. Nah, but look, chat, we're coming back down here. You might tap into this level here and then reject and see a continuation up, right? If you do that, then maybe we can get a valid play off the 15-minute here, or maybe the 30, I don't know. But realistically, we just need to wait and see for a setup to print. We might move the 1 second market. I don't even think you do that. Due to network issues, it's not suitable for trading foreign currencies. It's only suitable for travel. That's not true. There's no real delay when you're trading currencies. I mean, there's like microsecond delays, right? But I could trade from anywhere in the world. To prove my point, I've traded from the top of a mountain. I've traded from the fucking sea. I've traded from a beach. I've traded from everywhere. There's no, like, network issues never really plays an impact. If you're doing super high frequency trading, like institutional level 2 millisecond entries, then yeah. But for example, where is this? I think it's this one. Yeah, I had whack fucking signal here, but look. You're telling me network issues are an impact, but I'm right here trading. There was literally barely any signal here. You know what I mean? Like, it's not going to play an impact. Chat, we're ripping down now, though. Holy shit. Absolutely ripping it down. Why are you pouting? Hey, I'll pout if I want to pout. Chase is flexing. Right, listen. I'll flex if I want to flex. I'll pout. No, I'm joking. What's good, Smarty? How's it going? Chat, drop a like on the stream. If we get to 50 likes, maybe, just maybe, I'll do a nice little giveaway for you guys. But look, 4 hour might even flip here, chat. If this 4 hour flips, you are going to rip down. Like, actually rip down. Currently trading while in a deep coal mine, is true. Crazy. Pullback. Is this a pullback or is this a really high volume rejection? That's what you need to wait and find out, chat. That is the question of the hour. You have comics open in 2 minutes as well, chat. This could be Monsieur Le Volume, my French cousin. Yeah, you did flip bearish on the hourly, you flip bearish on the 2 hour, nearly on the 4 hour as well. Let's see, man. Let's see, man. Hopefully, though. Oh, chat. Yeah, you are ripping here. A lot of times when you see volume this big, it's not really a pullback. Très chic. Très chic. Très bien. Actually, I don't want to speak French. We don't like the French. I'm joking. English people and French people have a very long, like, almost rivalry. And I think they don't like English people. We don't like French people. It's pretty standard. Oh my god, chat. What the fuck? Flipperoons on this one, chat. Let's kiss. Maybe. I'll consider it. Yo, fucking... Wait, actually, do I want to tell this story? Nah. It's not because it's inappropriate. It's just not funny. Rejecting a little bit here, chat. 5 minute closing in 10 seconds. You started, now you have to tell? No, I don't. Interesting, chat. Is this the rejection of all rejections? Holy mega rejection. But it's also 5 minute no top wick here. Could flip bearish. Oat. I don't do oats, man. I don't deal with them. What did the 1 minute do? Devious work, chat. This is crazy. That no top wick absolutely shafted us there. I can't lie. No entry just yet, chat, but you got 9 minutes here to the 30 close. It might even start to barcode here before news. Imagine, bro. That would be so cooked. That would actually be crazy. What you wait for now? I think we have to wait for the 30 close as a minimum, right? Because you are just barcoding currently. If you close bearish like this... did you flip on the 4 hour? Yeah, you did momentarily. Oh, wait, no. Wait. Where's the 4 hour? 4 hours here. Yeah, you did flip. For a second on the 4 hour, you flipped. Interesting, chat. Interesting. The question is now, what are we going to see here? No bottom wick on all of these candles is crazy. I genuinely still think you should fill up towards like 69. I don't see why you wouldn't just yet. 69 is pretty valid. Have you ever considered? Nah, I haven't. Have you? Do you have a full video on your trading view layout? No, but it's pretty simple. I'll show you. Background is a gradient between like this black and this gray. No grid lines. Wait, where's the candles? And then I just have like this custom blue color here, which is this number there, 4169E1. And then I have this custom white color as well, which is D3, D3, D3. Actually, it might not even be custom. I don't know. But those are the colors. Chat, I can't lie. I might change my chart colors. I do like them, but maybe we go to light mode. Chat, what do we think about light mode? I don't know if I can do that actually. Pink? Pink is crazy. I feel like blue and white is kind of my colors, you know? Flashbang. I don't know if I could trade on this shit. That's kind of crazy. It's also kind of cool, but... Absolute flashbang here. Chat. Send me... That looks awful. Alright. Chat, you don't need to be so rude, man. I just said it for a second. Holy shit. Chat, I've got an idea. Send your chart colors into the trading floor. And we can pick who's the best. And whoever's the best wins... I don't know, pride or some shit. Do a turquoise to whitish grey gradient. That's what I have. It looks amazing. Nah, that's too much. That's doing too much for me. Oh, chat, what about this? Someone send... Wait, Tom, send me your chart colors. I want to see them. Chat, 5 minutes to the 30-minute closure here. A lot of opportunity printing right now. Can we make a quick milli? I beg we can, bro. Just a quick one. Like, it doesn't even have to be a slow milli. We'll make a quick one. Send it in trading floor. All right, say less. Mine's in Discord. It's black. I will be pilot. Yeah, me too. This is okay. In my opinion, it's doing too much. The blue on blue would be a bit crazy for me. Tom, that's just boring. That's just like basic colors. I don't know. Yeah, looks like India. Yeah, maybe. The purple and white does go hard. Eugene's mixed up a little bit. with the green and the green and red with the background. I don't know how Eugene sees anything on his charts, bro. You have the big Asia text here, big XAUUSD in the background. How do you even see anything? Kaiser's, yeah, that's quite minimalist. I kind of like that. Max's look good. Yeah, bro. I don't know. I can't tell if I like that. It's decent. Triz, yeah, you mixed it up as well. The yellow, bro, the yellow lines are horrible. Also, the background, like, why do you need someone to tell you you're trading gold? Is it not quite obvious that you're trading gold? You know what I mean? Like, surely at that point you should know. I don't know, I might be wrong. But all right, chat, look, we got a 30-minute closure coming here shortly. Let's see what we can do, chat. Let's see what we can do. If you close bearish here, it's going to be very difficult to get a position, right? Like, very, very difficult. Who needs all that? Just buy until proven guilty? Yeah, trust me. Look at Anil's chart. Where is it? In chat or what? No. He deleted it? Why? What was it? Oh, bro, I'm not opening shit on stream and was it something bad? From your reaction, I presume it was. It's like Anil, send it back in, bro. Let's see, chat. I was hoping maybe we could get like a 15 flip to take the buys, but even that looks impossible right now. Tinder is back on Discord. Trust me. All right, chat. 5-minute flips here. Kind of interesting. Tom's too scared. Oh, that is funny. I like that. Yeah, Kaiser, that's the chart we're talking about right here. That's more like it. That's the TRLS strategy in a nutshell, right? Holy shit. All right, chat. How is this 30 going to close here? You got 1 minute left. 30-minute looks bearish? Yeah, of course it does. It's like almost engulfing. But to be fair, you got no top wick on the 15. Previous hourly has no top wick as well, though. So, I mean, it could be interesting here, chat. We'll see what happens. I'd buy on the first red line? Yeah, maybe. The first one. Which one's that? I'm buying on where they intersect. You know where the lines intersect? On God, my chart was the cleanest. I think my chart's the cleanest, I can't lie. Like, unironically, just blue and white with a gradient. A light gradient as well. You guys, you've not unlocked the light gradient yet. You guys either do like pink to blue or just like a solid color. You guys are not tasteful enough. I'm gonna start backing out this one. Oh my days. Chat, new chart colors unlocked. 30-minute closing below here, chat. Holy shit. Looks like we might just pop down on the open. Oh my, never mind. Never mind. That is devious. What the fuck is this volume? 30-minute decided to pop right there. Very, very interesting, Mr. Chat. Yeah, that's a vibe. Holy shit, my eyes. Very mixed feedback on that one, chat. Very mixed feedback. I've set my charts as the same as yours. Cheat code to profitability? Yeah, it must be. DAX melted today. DAX. Holy meltdown. Yeah, fair. Chat, this price action is crazy. Closed engulfing on the 30-minute. Now we're ripping back up. Watch this just barcode the entire time, right? Just literally between here and here. Watch us just set a range and we literally just go like bang, 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 bang. Like this. I guarantee that's what we're going to do until news. I'm out now. Thanks for the Bomber Clout stream. All right. In a bit. 50 pip, 1 minute candle, blood clot. That's all I have to say on that one, chat. You know the vibes. SG sent mine. Bro. That's... Yeah. Fair. There's not even a Bart Simpson out here. Sad days. I know, it's tough. I know, that's the most... If that's unironic, I don't even know what to say. 30-minute flip incoming. I don't know, man. Even if it does, I don't want to take it, right? Because the hourly still closed bullish. It's very mixed right now, chat. Chat, if you guys trade with grid on, by the way, you're an absolute nonce. Like, if you trade with this on, I don't understand it. Why would you ever trade with the grid on? Like, how are you meant to see shit like that? Always bullish. Gold just doing some trolling. Yeah, chat. To be fair, you can't really sell gold right now. That grid is throwing me off. Yeah, it's horrible. It throws off my levels. It throws everything off. I like to think that we're trading in the middle of like space, you know? Like the chart background is literally deep space. Nonce, you know? Yeah. You got to bring those words back now and again, Matt. Chat, getting paid out in crypto as well is a crazy feeling for a prop firm. That's the first time I think I've ever had it. Today with Goat Funded. Kind of a mad experience. It's like, Mr. Taxman, come and get me. I'm joking. Fast payout? Yeah, within a day. I literally got it. I requested it yesterday morning, got it last night. Fucking crazy. But I'm gonna do a full fucking video because also I want to get a good deal for you guys. I want to get a giveaway. I also want to get an affiliate code. I'm blind. I use Braille chart. Crazy. I actually have one of those. You know, in the old school days where they had like a telegram coming through on a strip like this with all of the prices and everything. I have that. What were they called? Yeah, it was like this, bro. Oh no, not this. I don't know. Anyway, pretty sick. 30 flips on FX, yeah. SG conveniently back in the UK for Cov Uni freshers. Fuck, he's ruined my plan. Bro, you can't tell people where I'm going. Now I'm going to get exposed. I bought the full VIP wristband for Cov University freshers. And you've exposed it. I was going to hit DMU, Cov, and then Nottingham Trent all in one row. That's why I'm back for 2 weeks, bro. I was going to do like 4 days at one, 4 days at the other, 4 days at the other, but you've ruined it. Fuck's sake. 30 flipped here, chat. Straight back into the trading. Nah, see me at Mosh in the next fucking week or two. You'll know what I'm up to. I got no clue what the fuck you're talking about. Yeah, that was a very niche joke, I can't lie. Only for UK people, really. And sort of Midlands-based people. We'll take it, though. Now we're talking. Chat, if you guys have ever been to Mosh nightclub in Leicester, oh my days. If you haven't been there, you're missing out. Honestly, one of the best fucking nightclubs in the fucking planet. No, actually. Chat, 75 people in the chat right now. 23 likes. I'm going to start punching people in a second. Seriously, you're going to start getting battered. I think it was rated top 10 worst, you know? Bro, have you seen that cursed photo of someone in Mosh? There's like so many cursed photos. The guy with fake tan or whatever. This one, bro. Chat, for those of you who don't know, this is like the nightclub where I went to uni, right? This is one of the most goated photos of all time. This is when I was at uni there as well. Bro, this is actually fucking elite. Like, you actually can't find a better photo than that. Bro, it's so good. It is so good. And then there's the other one as well, which is equally as good, nearly, which is like this bloke pouring his drink out onto the other guy. Like, that is fucking clutch. Just so good. Honestly, unbeaten. Yo, I actually guarantee if you scroll down, I'd be on here somewhere. Nah. Someone proposed in Mosh, you know. Someone actually proposed in Mosh. That is crazy. Yo, if you're proposing to your girl in a club, you are seriously done out. If she said yes to that, she also deserves a punch in the face. That is fucking crazy. Like, how is that even a thing? Just terrible stuff. Romantic? Yeah, trust me. Alright, chat. We are ripping down here. Holy shit. UK culture is crazy. Yeah, UK culture is different levels. Football heritage? Bro, this guy really knows ball. There's a Mosh in Derby, tragic place. I don't think it'll beat the Leicester one. I don't think so. Like, that's the OG. 3 floors of just pure chaos, bro. Anyway, chat. Let's bring it back to trading here. What can we really bring it back to, though? There's really not much going on. You are ripping down here. You broke the low. You broke structure. Realistically, for me now, chat, the only way I'm going to get these sells is a closure below 37.9 here. And that should take me down towards the bottom of the range here, towards 35.18, roughly. I proposed in a rainstorm on a cliff overlooking Stockholm. That is sick. That is really cool, Blizzy. Hopefully she said yes. Lower high, lower low being formed? Yeah, maybe. That's what I'm saying. Like, if we close below here now, that will be the lower low, lower high, right? Because you have been making bullish structure. Now you've basically made a... First of all, technically you have made a lower low, but let's just not count that for yet. This is a lower high here. If you close here, that'll be a lower low. You get an entry here for the continuation downwards. That'll be nice. She said yes. Good shit, Blizzy. Congratulations, my friend. I don't know how long ago it was, but still, nonetheless, congratulations. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Now, that is cool. Realistically, you want this breakout here, but chat, the one thing I would be concerned about as well is the little fake breakouts that we have. So you could close below, close back in, and it would be a fake out to continue up, right? That's just gold in a nutshell. But for right now, chat, 4 hours, still got an hour and 20 minutes left. 2 hours opened up. It's all that no top wick, man. All that no top wick. Oh, fucking hell, chat. I divorced my wife in Mosh. That's more like it for that place. Honestly, that place was literally heathenism central. I saw some crazy things go down in that place. Oh, chat. I did actually the craziest chest workout yesterday. It was super simple, but it actually... fucked me up. There's like a challenge I used to do for myself, right? You have to basically try and do 150 push-ups in as few sets as possible. So like, obviously the best would be doing it in one set, 150 push-ups, or like 2 would be 75 each, I guess, or 80, 70 or whatever. But bro, by the end, it's like almost impossible to do one push-up. Because you have like 1 minute rest in between, or 1 or 2 minutes. Bro, I did it yesterday. I'm literally aching right now. I can't feel my chest. I think it took me like 4 sets. Which is not bad, but the first set was like 60. So I was like, sick. We're starting off well. I might be able to do it in 2. Second set was like 40. I was like, oh shit. Then it was like 30. And then I struggled to get 20. Like, yeah, it was fucked. Saw a video of a gym that had a 15-kilogram sword. That is pretty sick. My old gym had 150-kilogram dumbbells. You know how mad that is? 150-kilogram dumbbells. I don't think I ever saw people lift them. Imagine you just see some guy like repping it. Someone probably could, to be fair. I can't lift 120. I can't lift 20-kilogram dumbbells. Eugene, mate, you can't lift your fork to your mouth, mate. My old gym had 120 kg dumbbells. Saw people row them. Postage on that 150 kg dumbbell would have been mad. Yeah, for some reason I don't think it would have been postage. I can't lie. I guess it would have been. Lightweight. Lightweight. All right, chat. For today's segment of the stream, what should we do? We should introduce segments. Should we go to Crypto Corner? And then I'll be like, I'll play some theme tunes. And then it like skips over. Today, chat, Bitcoin is seeing a light retracement whilst all of the rest of the market sees a standard consolidation. Now, I don't know. Chat, again, I sold the top of Ethereum. Welcome back to SG. Sells the top of every single crypto market ever. Sold the top of Solana. Sold the top of Ethereum. Sold the top of FTM. I actually sell the tops. That's my job for a living. Anyway, that's Crypto Corner done. Back to Futures Corner. Wait till this motherfucker cuts the rates. I'm feasting. I'm actually 100% out of crypto right now, chat. But if you Google Gumsa Gym, Solon Tuna, your gym's called Tuna. Your crypto exits or something else? Yeah, bro. Whenever I sell the market, sell the fucking market. Like, chat, whenever you hear me talk about like whether or not I'm in crypto or not, just listen, all right? Not financial advice. Whilst bro literally gives financial advice. Solon Tuna is an area outside Stockholm. Was this your gym? That's a big dumbbell. That says 10 kg. Oh, each plate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 120 kg. Crazy. SG answer? Crazy. What's in your water? Bro, you made me... electrolytes. It's just electrolyte powder. A couple of scoops. It's pretty good. You sell tops? Kind of sus? I don't think that is that sus. I think that's a relatively normal thing, even if I was selling t-shirts. What's good though, Kingwood? Bro wants an answer now? Yeah. What does Ket feel like? Never done it. I don't know. Eugene, I'm pretty sure you know though. Daily about to flip? Holy shit. Oh, on FX or what? Yeah, shit. When merch? Soon. I actually do need to get the merch going. I'm going to get my assistant on it. So many IFBB athletes there. Was super cool, but owner of the facility forced them to close. Oh, crazy. Might quit trading and get on the K bag in my room. I used to have a friend that I trained with at Ultraflex, and he'd just bang K before the gym, which I never understood because I'm pretty sure it just makes you tired. Or maybe not. Cheers, Char. Crazy work. That is crazy. Yeah, I know. It's mad. Don't do drugs. You won't be profitable. That is true. What's your gym routine like? Push, pull, legs? That's a good question. I do push, pull, shoulders and abs, legs. Repeat. That's my little split that I do. It's the best split in the world. I will not argue that with anyone. Chat, look at this trade I just caught right here. Bottom tick. Literally, that was my stops. And I caught literally... There you go. Chat, W's closing full. Goated split minus legs. Tom doesn't train legs. Bro, this guy hasn't trained legs in about 4 years. I don't know what's wrong with you. Legs is actually really fun to train. I mean, no, it's not. After legs is fun because you get the satisfaction, right? Bro's literally like... Bro's got the chicken build. Literally, this is what you look like. Relatively decent upper body, and then just this is your legs. Can tell by the way you backflip off boats. Yeah, see? Yeah, Tom, if you hit legs, you'd be able to hit the backflip. Have a sauce of the move GBP USD made. Nice trade. You have a course? Nah, Kaiser. Unfortunately, spaces are full, my friend. GBP USD. Whoa. Whoa, I got hiccups. Just a light little move. 200 pipperoons. It's funny because on gold, 200 pips is pretty much nothing, right? But on Forex pairs, that actually is quite a lot. But on gold, this is 250 pips, right? And we see it as literally nothing. So 4 days, one rest day, then repeat. Yeah, it's technically a 10-day split. Or no, it's like a 9-day split. Seen those chicken leg socks? I think I know what you mean. Yo, Tom, I'm actually going to get you a pair of those. That is sick. Tom, I'm actually getting you a pair of these. That is actually hard. Can you do double flips on a trampoline? No. I'm not the type of guy to do flips. I don't want to risk it all. I need to train this. I need this to train at the gym ASAP. Yeah, trust me. I'm about to back them out. One day I'm just going to pull up and just put them on. I'd really do it. Yeah, I'd do it too. What's good, Issa? Welcome back. Maybe we do like a TRLS meetup and everyone wears the chicken leg socks. Range formed? Yeah, I think so. To be honest, we're back in this range now, which is a bit cooked. You've also got like a really choppy area of price here too now. So we'll see, chat. I need them socks to go sparring. That would be sick as well. Chat, 12 minutes till the hourly close. This PA's whack. I'm going gym. Train legs. Motherfuckers be fuming when I land a kick in them. Yeah, you would be pissed off if a guy with chicken feet kicked you up. Been going gym 4 years and I can count on one hand how many leg days I've done. You know what? I used to be the same and then I genuinely did look like fucking Gru. Decided that I need to hit legs. Also, when you train legs, you produce more growth hormone and your upper body gets bigger. Just so you know. Only one more leg day till Christmas, lads. Christmas 2027, right? Oh, chat, I thought we were going to make a Billy today. I actually thought we were meant to make the Billy today. Especially when you combine it with test and trend. That does help, I've heard. I've heard that helps. Chat, I just bought a new camera lens. I'm going to buy a new camera, like back body as well. You guys are about to see the most crazy vlogs incoming you've ever seen. I'm literally going to start punching people in vlogs. I'm going to but it's going to be in 4K now. Super quality. I'm literally going to walk up to people in the street and just smack them up. First target's Eugene. I'm going to... Bro, stop putting a fart command, Eugene. How have you got away with that again? This guy keeps getting away with it. I'm going to have to do my counter spell right now. Wait till he sees this one. I'll help gank you. Yeah, there you go. We've had this for a week. Right, well, it's gone now. If you put it back on your band, Eugene. Not the Potter command. I haven't seen that in a while. Unsubbed, crazy. Chat, 15 closed, by the way, and open no bottom wick here. Training made me so numb. I'm watching horror movies for the past week just to feel something. Bro's taking drawdown on purpose just so that he can start to feel emotions again. Nah, I feel it. Chat, give me 1 second. I'll be back in a sec. All right. Nah, I see a spam for a reason. I see spam for a reason. Let me just hang on, chat. Let's just take a look at something here. 1 second. Let me Wait till you see this one. Chat, I bet you've never seen this one before. Not the 24-hour timeout, chat. Surely not. He's gone. He's gone. He's never coming back. It's cooked. Chat, 30-minute closing in 7 minutes. Holy shit. Oh, no way. He's come back reincarnated as Mr. Mochi. That's cooked. Uh-oh. That wasn't even me. My hands are up here. He's gone. Mr. Mochi's now banned as well to the Shadow Realm. Yeah, Tyler, respect. See, Tyler's got my back. Listen, man, 6 minutes here, chat. We're pushing back up. Did you sweep any lows? Not really. Yeah, not really. Fuck. If you swept Asian lows, that would have been a nice little confluence. Look how liberated you are. Chat, we're making this chat like the UK. Yeah, we're making it like the UK. Zero freedom of speech. Probably shouldn't say that when I come back into the UK in a week, but there you go. I'm joking. The UK has a lot of freedom of speech, and they have very good leadership roles. And they have very good policies towards the local people and the UK nationals. UK's filth now. When I'm back in Cyprus, I'll unleash the hammer, bro. Legit. Such a terrible country. Has to be like genuinely one of the worst countries on earth now. I'm not even joking. I'd rather live in fucking Afghanistan. It's so peak. Because it was the best country on earth. Was number one, is now at the bottom. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. It's actually so sad. Chat, if this 30-minute close is bullish here, we can take a look at some buys up towards the top of the range here, because you've just essentially grabbed liquidity. Stops are pretty safe down below here. TP up towards the top of the blood clot range. Afghan property is going for dirt cheap right now. Chat, all you do is buy a property in Egypt, and they do it all for you. Ramadingi Rapids, bro. Honestly, when I was in Leeds, that's how everyone spoke. Even the white people there spoke a bit like that. SG, the 50k for 18 bucks still a thing, or does it need removing? Nah, it's still there for today. Chat, you have 15 hours left to get 90% off of, an Apex account. If you guys do want, code TRLS is going to get you... Not only is it going to get you 90% discount, it also gets you a reduced activation fee of like 50% off and 1 day passes, right? Which is fucking crazy. So cheap. But chat, 5 minutes just closed bullish here, which is good. Now, we need to see how the 30-minute and the 1 hour is going to close here, chat. If the 1 hour closes above with a bearish 30-minute, a bullish 30-minute, we'll take the buys up to fill the range, chat. Rami discount. It's a proper Rami car, bro. Listen, man, I got the stage 3 remap RS3, bro. Proper Rami car. Take it down to Highgate. All right, man, chat. Look. A lot of potential here, bruv. Good night, Max. Catch you tomorrow, man. Chat, if we don't get anything on this hourly close, I think I'm going to call it a sesh. I think I'll call it a sesh if we don't get anything here. I think there's a lot of opportunity. Oh, my days, bro. Bro, my shoulders and my chest are fucked. I need a massage. I'm not giving you a foot massage either. What a clip. All right, chat. Hopefully we can get this position, though. Because you've basically swept all the lows, like I said, right? You've grabbed liquidity. Seems to me as if it's a very valid play. Exclamation mark. Lot of potential here. Yeah. That'd be a good command. Oh, let's see if we can get a position, though. Otherwise, I'm not trying to force it, chat. Like I said, I took a payout yesterday from GFT. Not trying to go ahead and force shit, ruin the week. You see me? My friend William said he'd rub your body, considering kicking him out of the yard. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think that might be a bannable offense. I can't lie. I think that could be a red card. I mean, we'll check VAR, but it's got to be close. Rub your body is crazy as well. The way he said it. It's not just what he's proposing. It's what he said as well. Trading all-time high is weird. Trading all-time high is both good and bad, right? If you wait for your setups and you trade patiently, you can make so much money trading all-time high. Like a shitload. Problem is, chat, now you got kind of a resistance right here. But let's see, chat. A minute and a half. Oh. Good. Got that one out of the way. Hopefully we can get L position. Let's see if my entry is here. 2? Why would I be trading 2? 10? Is it 10? 15? Can I get a 15? 12? Yeah, that's about right, chat. 12 bucks. But you have to close above here, chat. You have to close above, and you have to get a nice little bottom wick, and then we're going to be good to go, chat. All right? So let's stay focused. We've got a lot of opportunity, man. If this gives us a nice little bottom wick first, I want us to close around this 50.8 area, maybe a little bit higher. If we close like this, it's going to be a no-go, right? So weak-ass closure. We need to see a nice little position. Mad. Actually, we should free Eugene. I feel bad. "31 seconds, chat. How do we free him? Wait. I'll give him like a minute timeout. He should be back soon. No, I'll give him a 10-second one. All right, he should be back. Chat, 19 seconds to the 30-minute closure. $15 no bottom wick as well. Who's Eugene? That's a good point. I don't know. Oh my days, chat. That is whack price action. You know what time it is? Sells are us. Not even sells, bro. I can't even take fucking sells. No bottom wick on the 5. Chat, it's going to be wait until news here, which means I can't take a trade in the next 30 minutes because of news. And then obviously the next hourly after that is going to be news. So chat, I'm not going to get a trade here for at least an hour and a half right now. So you know what we need to do? I'm going to be looking after news, chat, for a position, right? So like sort of 10 past 3, 5 past 3, around that time. Until then, chat, it's time for some serious smoke to get done in the GeoGuessr. SG, I got my first payout in 2 weeks. 1 trade a day till it's cleared. Do you need to get a trade a day? If so, then good shit, man. I can't wait to see you send that into the Discord. That's a major W. Yeah, slow and steady. Literally 1 trade a day. don't even try and make money from them, right? If it's just to clear the minimum trading days, then yeah, just do it, whatever. Without me, this ship sinks. Fuck off. Chat, join the GeoGuessr if you haven't already. Also, remember it's your last day to get an Apex at a 90% discount. So if you haven't already, make sure you go grab an account. 50k account for 18 bucks. I think it's 40 bucks for a 250k account, which is ridiculously cheap. So make sure you go grab that. Mug holder is cool. Crazy. Lots of potential here. Nice. Good names. I like it. All right, chat, we're starting. What the fuck? I could have sworn that was the Netherlands. SG, have you ever gone camping? Yeah, I did DOV. Duke of Edinburgh Gold. I camped on top of Mount Snowdon, which was pretty sick actually. This one has to be no. All right, Matt, in a bit, bro. Good shit for pulling back up. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Oh, chat, relatively close. UK? Yeah, that was... Nah, it wasn't... I can't even say that on stream. Never mind. Probably just wait for the news at 3 and jump on charts after that. Yeah, same shit. You ever had pizza? Nah. Missed the first round. Triz, if you make a comeback, that's going to be crazy. Which one? I don't know. I don't know. Could it be Tokyo's? I wasn't even fucking Japan, bro. Yo, Triz, if you actually don't play the first round and then win, that's going to be cooked. It's a pretty close race for top whatever. I don't even know what this is. The fuck is that? Where is that? Santa del... Wait, where? What is this, chat? Honestly, couldn't even tell you what that is. I'll take it, though. I mean, not really, but... Holy shit. Final round. I feel like it's up here somewhere. Fuck. I guess the sack of the last time as well. That is cooked. Nah, there's no way I went from first to sixth. Fuck off. I should have stuck it in the middle somewhere. That's poor chat. Alright, listen, man. That is crazy. That was such a close game. Like, top 6 was all within very, very close. Chat, look. Good shit, Joshua. Fucking Malenko third. Good shit. Listen. Chat, that's it from me. Have a great rest of your day. If you are trading, make sure you trade responsibly. And other than that, chat, make sure you go grab an Apex account using code TRLS. I'll see you guys in the next one, chat. Peace out. Much love. Bye. Oh, go watch the most recent YouTube video as well. Yeah, the buy stop's not there, don't worry. But thank you, Tyler.